bought one of those new water efficient dual flush toilets and called a plumber to ask him to install it, and it was like over $400 for him to come out. So that's the old toilet. I'm gonna replace that with a water efficient dual flush toilet, and I'm not paying $400 or $500 to do this. So I'm gonna just document, the process of me installing this toilet to maybe, help some of you guys and show you that you could probably do it yourself. If you're handy with tools, and have about an hour or so, you could probably change out a toilet like this and do it yourself. I'm gonna try to cut down on how much water we use in our household and take you through the process. So the first thing I'm gonna do is clear the area around the toilet. Then I'm gonna turn the water off, remove the bolts that secure the old toilet, take that out, and then bring the new toilet in. Probably cover the hole so nothing goes in or comes out. All right, so I'm gonna clean away the excessive wax. That's what the brown stuff is, by the way, it's wax. All right, and see this ring here, guys? It's the wax ring that you're gonna place at the bottom of the toilet and fasten it. Okay, so make sure you apply some pressure to that so it doesn't go anywhere. This is wax. All right, and once the weight of the toilet goes down, it's going to secure it in place. So I think I have these bolts lined up parallel to the wall and secured. So let's put the toilet on, see if it fits. Looks good. Now we're gonna put the gaskets on, the plastic gaskets, secure the toilet with the wing nuts, and then put the cover on. Then we're gonna put the tank on. Now we're going to attach the flushing mechanism to the tank lid. And if you're wondering what this is, it's a bidet attachment. It goes right beneath your toilet seat. If you don't have a bidet in your bathroom, just get one. I'm gonna put a link below to get one on Amazon. It's like $30 or less than $30. Believe me, you're gonna thank me. I think we're done. I just filled up the tank, turned the water back on. Let's flush and see if we flood our bathroom or if it works properly. Alright, that's a single flush for number one, and double flush for number two. And that's what's cool about that. You can do a flush one right after the other because a single flush only uses a portion of the water that's in the tank. So I think we're good.